Want to check an overview of your project or company? OnSite has you covered. Just head to the dashboard, select your project name and timeline. And you'll instantly get an overview of your sales invoices, expenses, and margins. Click on Expenses to view all the expenses made in the project, or on Invoice and Margin to explore more detailed data. You can also check payment details directly from here. On the right side, you'll see a breakdown of expense types. And just below, you'll find the Company Party Balance section, where you can view a project-wise summary report. There's a lot more you can explore inside the dashboard with OnSite.